I want you guys to imagine this. It's a hot summer day. You're outside playing your favorite sport, and you get hot and you decide you want to cool off. So what do? You go inside, open up the freezer, and grab possibly one of the best foods on the planet, ice cream. Ice cream is one of the most popular treats on a hot summer day. Not only does it keep you cool, but it is a delicious delicacy. In this speech, in order to learn more about ice cream, I'll talk to you guys about a brief history of ice cream, some of the more popular ice creams, some of the more bizarre ice creams, and other frozen treats besides ice cream. So, in the 1800s, ice cream was very rare and it was only enjoyed by the rich and the elite. That is until 1843, when a woman named Nancy Johnson applied for a patent for a hand-cranked ice cream freezer shown here. Basically what this was, it was a barrel, and inside the barrel was a smaller bowl that had the ice cream mixture in it. And in the barrel was salt and ice, and you would crank the movable crank, and it would move a paddle and churn the mixture around and eventually create ice cream. And now I've talked about a very brief history of ice cream. I'll talk about some of the more popular ice creams. 30% of all ice cream sold in the U.S. is vanilla, which is the most out of any kind. Second is chocolate at 10%. Third is butter pecan at 4%. Fourth is strawberry at 3.7%. And fifth is chocolate chip mint at 3.2%. Now that I've talked about some of the more popular ice creams, I'll talk about some of the more bizarre ice creams. This is octopus ice cream. It's found in Japan, and what it is, it's chunks of octopus meat in red shaved ice. Next is salad flavored ice cream. This is strawberry ice cream, and in it is cucumbers, tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers. Next is hot chili pepper ice cream. It is tomato flavored ice cream, and in it is hot chili peppers, and it's found in Singapore. This is, you can't see that very well, but it's glow in the dark ice cream, and it's found in the UK. And what it is, it's made out of a protein found in jellyfish, and as you lick it, it makes a chemical reaction and it glows. And it's sold for $225 a scoop. Now I've talked about some of the more bizarre ice creams. I'll talk about things other than ice cream. This is frozen yogurt. We have a frozen yogurt store downtown. And the biggest difference between frozen yogurt and ice cream is it's lower in fat, and it's made with yogurt instead of cream. Next is frozen custard. Culver's sells frozen custard instead of ice cream, and it's made of all the same stuff, but they add egg yolks to it, and it was invented in Coney Island in 1919, and the egg yolks, I guess, make it stay cold longer. And this is gelato. Gelato is an Italian ice cream, and what gelato means in Italian is ice cream. And the biggest difference between gelato and ice cream is it has less air, so it's served 15 degrees warmer than ice cream, so it isn't frozen solid. And in conclusion, now that I've talked about a brief history of ice cream, some of the more popular ice creams, and some of the more bizarre ice creams, you now know more about one of the most popular treats on a hot summer day. So, the next summer day, grab some ice cream.